Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7, 8th and 9th. Happy Friday. How are you all? Today's topic is past perfect tense. The recognition of past perfect tense is ये के साथ गया था, लिया था, ली थी वगैरह, ये के बगैर चुके थे, चुकी थी, चुका था वगैरह. You see, it's a very common between this present perfect and past perfect. The slight difference between is the time, tha and hai. The difference is of just time and just the difference of helping verbs. Mostly two action take place in this tense, one end and one starts. दो तरह के काम एक साथ होते हैं, ख़त्म हो रहा होता है, एक शुरू हो रहा होता है. Past perfect tense में mostly. Affirmative sentences, the rules to change affirmative sentences is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Had will be used as helping verb and third form of verb will be used. Had will be used with first, second and third person. सबके साथ हम had ही use करेंगे, so it will be very easy. हमने कल तक ये खबर नहीं सुनी थी. We had not heard this news till yesterday. लड़के फूल तोड़ चुके थे. The boys had plucked the flowers. See, we is the second person, so we use had. The boy is the third person, so we used had. So there is no specific helping verb for the any person. The had will be used with first, second and third persons altogether. अभी तक बारिश नहीं हुई थी. It had not rained yet. डाकिया दोपहर से पहले चिट्ठियाँ तकसीम कर चुका था. The postman had delivered the letters before noon. So these are mixed sentences I have written, affirmative along with the negative also. वो मुलाजमत के लिए दरख्वास्त दे चुका था. He had applied for the job. ग्राहक के आने से पहले धोबी कपड़े इस्त्री कर चुका था. The washerman had pressed the clothes before the customer came. Now see, here is the two tasks. The one has been completed. The washerman had pressed the clothes. Washerman जो है वो कपड़े इस्त्री कर चुका था. किस से पहले? ग्राहक के आने से पहले. ग्राहक बाद में आता है और वो धोबी पहले काम ख़त्म करता है. So this is the twice action tense. And negative sentences we use not with had. हमने इससे पहले उसको नहीं देखा था. We had not seen him before. सूरज गुरूब होने तक इसने काम क्यों ख़त्म नहीं किया? Why had he not finished his work till sunset? तुमने मुझे आज तक फैसले की इत्तला नहीं दी थी. You had not informed me of the decision till today. मैंने अपनी जायदाद फ़रोख्त नहीं की, ना की थी. I had not sold my property. अमजद ने कल तक सबक याद नहीं किया था. अमजद had not learned the lesson till yesterday. We add not with had in negative sentences. Now comes interrogative sentences. As usual, had plus subject plus third form plus object and the question words come first. The question word who, when, what, as I told you before in the previous tenses also. क्या तुम अजान से पहले नमाज़ पढ़ चुके थे? Had you offered your prayer before the prayer call? क्या मदद मिलने से पहले ज़ख्मी मर चुका था? Had the injured died before he received help? क्या तुम्हारा भाई ये इम्तिहान पहले से ही पास कर चुका था? Had your brother already passed these exams? क्या तुम तारीख़ इस्लाम पहले पढ़ चुके थे? Had you studied the history of Islam before? मेरी तकरीर से पहले किसने तकरीर की थी? Who had made a speech before my speech? This is past perfect tense. Your today task is homework is translate 10 sentences of past perfect tense, simple, negative and positive. This is very easy. You have to do this. Take care. Have a nice day.